Hi everyone, in today's video we'll see how to set up an clear all filter options in a single particular report. If you see here in this report, I have set up the multiple years and the respective quarter of the year, right? So when I apply for 2020 and the quarter 3, I could see that the visuals are applied with the filter. Now to defilter it, I have to go back and do a certain, to do a 2-3 clicks to unselect it. So to solve this problem, we can set up a button called clear all filter so that it applies accordingly. For example, if you see here, now I go and then I click all clear filter, automatically it will come to the original position. My name is Pratap Singh. I'm working as a solution architect for business applications and as well as business intelligence tool. Let's see the configurations, how to do that. To start the configurations, first what I have to do is I have set up a clear all filter option, right? So that I need to capture the unfiltered canvas in the bookmark. So to set up a bookmark, you go view, there's something called the bookmark. So you enable the bookmark, then click add. So you name it as clear all filter, right? So I have now set up my all filter bookmark. Now what I have to do is I'll go back, I'll insert a button, a blank button, then I come back, I'll just scroll here, right? Then I have to name it now this particular all clear button. So now I go to the format options of this particular all clear button, then I go enable the button text. So here I can define the clear all filter text to be appear in the button, right? I'll make my font color as white and then I go to my background color to make it in par with the background color, right? Now things are done. Now what I have to do is to configure this particular bookmark to apply on this button. There is something called action. So I enable the action for the button. I go back down, I select my type as bookmark, right? So immediately when I select my type as bookmark, you can see here there is a bookmark option has been enabled where I can select my bookmark, right? Now what I'll do is I'll test this. I have configured my bookmark related to the filter. So now let me apply this particular one, apply for this year. Then, and if you're trying out clear all filter button, you have to press Control and then click the button. See, it returns to the original page where it is done, right? I'll apply it one more time. 2021. I select the third quarter. This is my result. So again, I can go back to clear all filter. So this is the configuration basically to configure your clear all filter options. But you can exclusively use the bookmark functionality for a lot of other purposes as well. This is one of the key or mostly used functionality which required for the user easiness of using or for storytelling options. Thank you everyone. Connect me with in LinkedIn. Thank you so much for your time for watching this particular video.